What's up, future millionaires? Tired of being broke as a joke? Ready to start your way to financial freedom? Well, buckle up because today we are spilling the beans on how you can get rich while still being a student. Stick around for the most valuable financial advice you'll ever get. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. We are talking about budgeting like a boss, saving like a squirrel, spending smart, side hustle, dodging debt and investing early. You ready? Let's make that money. First up, budget like a boss. I know, budgeting sounds boring, but think of it like this. It's your first financial game plan. And who doesn't love winning? Create a simple budget, list your income sources, yes, even the $10 your grandma sends you every month, and track your expenses. You can use apps like Mint or YNAB to make it fun and easy. Tip number 2, save and save. Whenever you get some money, put a little aside. Even if it's just a few bucks, it adds up faster than you think. Set a savings goal. It could be for an emergency fund, a trip, or a rainy day. Trust me, future you will thank you. Tip number 3, be smart with your spending. Do you really need that extra large latte every day? Instead, find a cheap alternative. Make a list before shopping and just stick to it. Always look for student discount and use cashback apps. Every little bit helps. Tip number 4, get a side hustle. Use your skills and talents to make some extra money. Whether it's tutoring, freelancing, or selling some e-courses or stock media, there is always a way to earn more. Check out websites like Fiverr, Etsy, or even start your own blog or YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless. There is a detailed video made on how you can earn easy money from the internet while sitting at your home. Make sure to give it a shot if you are really interested in making the money. Tip number 5, avoid the debt like a plague. Student loans might be necessary, but avoid credit card debt at all costs. It can snowball quickly. Only use credit card if you can pay them off full in each month. Otherwise, stick to cash or a debit card. Talking about tip number 6, invest early. Even if it's just a small amount, start investing as soon as you can. The earlier you start, the more you will benefit from the compound interest. Look into low-cost index funds or robo-advisors. You don't need to be a stock market expert to start investing. Tip number 7, maximize your discounts. Your student ID is a golden ticket to savings. From movies to software, use it to get discounts everywhere. Check out websites like Unidays, Student Beans for the latest deal. Don't leave the money on the table. Tip number 8, buy used or borrow. Textbooks, furniture, or even clothes. Buying second-hand can save you a lot of money as a student. Check out websites like Shag, eBay, and local thrift stores. Also borrow books from library instead of buying new one. Tip number 9, meal preparation and cooking at home. Eating out can drain your wallet faster than you think. Cooking at home is way healthier and cheaper. Plan your meal, cook in batches, and freeze the leftovers. You'll save a lot of money and time. Talking about the last but not the least, use public transportation or bike. It's cheaper than owning a car and better for the environment. Check if your school offers free or discounted public transportation passes. Biking is a great exercise tool. These were the most valuable financial tips for students. But if you really want to know how you can turn your internet connection into a money-making machine, then this video above is worth watching. And there you have it, folks. 10 effective tips to manage your money and help you to become rich as a student. Remember, it's all about making great choices and being mindful of your journey. See ya with more stuff like this.